Hey Falcons, this is Mr. Gomez here, and I'm talking to you guys today about credit averaging, okay? I know grades are very important. You guys know that in order to graduate, you need to get a total of 26 credits. Grades affect credits. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna explain to you how we do credit averaging, how we do final grades, so that you know how you're gonna get your half credits and your full 1 credits, okay? So grades are typically divided into 4 parts throughout the year. They're divided into MP1, which is the end of the first 9 weeks, MP2, which is the end of the second 9 weeks, and it's also the end of the first semester, and then MP3 and MP4, which is gonna be the spring semester. So currently right now, we're in MP2, okay? So you might be thinking, well, what's my final average gonna be for the semester? It's very easy. Take whatever grade you got on MP1, you add it to the grade that you received for MP2, and then you divide by 2, and that's what gives you your average. So let's say you had a 92 for MP1, and then for MP2, you got an 86. You add those two together, it gives you 178. You then divide it by 2, and it gives you an average of an 89. Okay? So that's going to be your semester average, an 89. Now, because you passed the class, you're gonna be awarded half a credit. Now, some of you might be worried, Mr. Gomez, I didn't get an 89. I did not get a 92. My grade was a 68 for MP1. What do I need to do in order to credit average with at least a 70 term my credit? It's a very simple math, okay? You will start off with the number 140, and then what you will do is you will subtract the grade that you got. So let's say you got a 68. 140 minus 68 gives you 72. So this 9 weeks, you need to get at least a 72 in order to credit average. Again, because you take the 68, you add the 72, you add them together, it gives you a total of 140 divided by 2. The average is 70, and there it is. That's how you get the credit. Now let's say you worked really hard, but you did not get the grades you really wanted. Let's say that at the end of the semester, when you added them together and divided by 2, you got a 66 semester average. What do you need to do in order to credit average for the full year? The principle is the same. You take 140, if you got a 66 average, subtract that from 140, you're gonna get 74. That means that for MP3 and MP4, you need to have at least a 74 and a 74. That will allow you to credit average with the 66 that you received the first semester. Now, this is gonna be the first series of videos that we're gonna be presenting to you guys, okay? I hope this kind of clears a little bit of the misconceptions that we have for credit averaging. But remember, the goal is to always pass your classes so that you can get all your credits. Thank you so much, Falcons, and I'll see you guys later.